How does the Matterport subscription price increase announced Tuesday, May 20th, 2025 affect you? If you are an existing Matterport customer, how can you delay the price increase for 12 months? Are you charging for hosting support and maintenance? Stay tuned. Hi all, I am the digital twin of Dan Smigrod, founder of the We Get Around Network Forum. Today is Wednesday, May 21st, 2025. You're watching the WGAN TV podcast for digital twin creators shaping the future of real estate today. We have an insightful show for you. Matterport subscription, price increase for all customers. Our WGAN TV podcast guest host is Tom Sparks, founder and CEO of Scan Your Space, a division of Sparks Media Group.
On Tuesday, May 20th, 2025, Matterport sent out a couple of emails announcing new pricing. I got alerted by a We Get Around Network forum post about this pricing and wanted to look into it. So let's take a look. First, we'll start here with the classic plan pricing. I will scroll through this email and you guys can pause it and read it if you want. It's not very long. They're basically saying that they're thanking me for being loyal and a valued part of Matterport's original charter community. They're introducing new pricing going into effect on your next billing date beginning on or after June 24th, 2025. They're having us rest assured that they will continue to support classic plans. And they have a link here to some new features that they're coming out with to justify the price increase. And they're thanking us again. They're telling us that we can upgrade or cancel our subscription by visiting our account page. And that's that. So if we click on this link, it'll show the new pricing. We're going to cover the US dollars. You can see here that our basic plan for classic is $54 a month. It's going to jump to $62. And the basic plan per year went from $549 to $631. And then you can see some different pricing based on the account that you have. It also covers in euro. And there you go. So that was the email about the classic plan. I also have a regular new account, and I got a similar email. And in this email, it says the same thing. They're announcing a modest increase to the pricing of their starter, professional, and business plans. They're now live on the page, and we can review the changes. It says, for current subscribers, the new pricing will go into effect on your next renewal billing date beginning on or after June 24th, 2025. Current subscribers can take advantage of a limited time offer available through June 23rd, 2025 to lock in lower prices for 12 months by switching from a monthly to an annual plan or by upgrading an annual plan. And there's some details. So if you're a current annual plan subscriber, you can upgrade from a starter 5 to a starter 10 or a starter 5 to a professional 20, so on and so forth. If you use this promo code, you'll be entitled to a 10% savings for 12 months on the annual plan. If you're a monthly plan subscriber, which I actually think I am, you can lock in pricing by switching to an annual plan. And you can use these promo codes and save some money. So let's take a look at the pricing. So I actually don't know what I'm on. I think I might be on the professional 25. I don't host a whole lot of new tours, but I was thinking about upgrading soon, so this might be a good time to do that. And you can see that the price per month on the monthly plan is going from $75 to $85. the price per year is going from $756 to $852, and so on and so forth. If you're on the Business 300, you're going from $764 to $870 a month, $7,700 to $8,700 for the year. And then it also covers euro, the pound, yen. There you go. So there you have it. Nobody loves price hikes, but this one actually makes a lot of sense. So let's break it down. First off, it's not just about paying more. Matterport is not just a basic camera app. You're getting a full-blown 3D experience. Walkthroughs, dollhouse views, auto measurements, blur tool, now AI-powered upgrades. It's really cutting-edge technology. It's like Adobe of the real estate world. Matterport is always evolving. They're dropping new features, processing gets faster, and they've been leveling up their hosting on the back end. That takes a lot of time, infrastructure, innovation. I can't imagine what their Amazon web hosting bill, or whoever they use for web hosting, I can't imagine what that bill costs. It's not about paying more for the same thing. It's paying more for a better thing. They're literally hosting millions of 3D models across the globe. That means fast loading, secure backdrops, global delivery. It's not free. Going back to their hosting, they have to pay for this. A small price bump keeps everything running smoothly, and it makes a lot of sense as they're adding on users, adding on tours. I have one client in particular who has somewhere around 25,000 tours hosted with Matterport. And they're adding more and more each day. So just imagine, if that one client is doing that and everybody else is doing that, it just adds up to a lot. For pros like me and some of us who are watching this video, Matterport is a business tool. It's a tax write-off. If you're booking listings, selling properties, hosting spaces for clients, the return on the investment is still solid. It pays for itself. In luxury and commercial markets, clients expect this kind of immersive experience. You do want to compete. You want to bring the best tools, and Matterport is really a gold standard in this area. Staying sharp means, keeping up. It's a great moment to explain value to your clients. Say, yeah, the platform costs more, but look what it gives us: quality, reliability, speed, and confidence. Use it as a value pitch, not just a tech update. Let's also talk about getting strategic. Maximize every tour. Batch your shoots. Tag everything. Repurpose for social, for Google, for your website. Make Matterport work harder for you. They have a lot of tools that they've offered, and a lot of us don't use them all. Think about software services or SaaS for the different tools that you use. Everything from Adobe to Canva, even ChatGPT. Prices are going up everywhere, and it's usually for good reason. Developers cost a lot of money. As I said a couple times here, hosting costs a lot of money, and Matterport's increase fits in a similar pattern. I will say I see a lot of comments online about how people are hosting free tours for clients, whether it's the classic account or the new accounts. And you guys are missing a huge opportunity here to make money, recurring income. You should be charging what I call a monthly hosting support and maintenance fee. And I got that term actually from Dan Smigrod at We Get Around Network. So shout out to Dan for coining that term and letting me use it. So what that is basically, I'm going to host your tour and I'm going to charge you a monthly fee for that, because if you weren't paying me, you'd have to be paying Matterport. And with that fee that you're going to be paying me, if you need to update links, if you need to update contact information, if you need to edit the tour, add something to the highlight reel, even if you need to go back and rescan a space because they painted a wall or remodeled part of the house or part of the business, you have that data. And if they weren't going to pay you to maintain that data, they would have to pay somebody else to redo all that work. So they're still saving money. And I often will give clients a discount on the upfront cost, knowing that I'm going to be making recurring income from them in the long run. I think I might host a couple free tours for people, but I even charge museums for hosting fees. And now that I think about it, the free tours that I'm hosting are more of a demo of this is what could be done in your space. I'm not hosting any tours for free for people who are using it to actively market a property or use it for insurance documentation purposes or anything like that. So there's, easily over 100 different use cases for having a Matterport 3D tour. And so there's value in that data. And you should be charging for that. You shouldn't just charge an upfront cost and put that tour out there on your account and have to pay for it and, basically eat that cost and not pass it on to your client. So, inflation is what it is. I hate that term. It is what it is. But literally, inflation is what it is. It happens. And nobody's immune from it. If you go to the grocery store and need to buy food, you're going to pay more right now than you would 3 years ago, which is when I think the last Matterport price increase was. If you're going to buy gas for your car or energy to charge your EV, everything just goes up. And so your clients should not be immune from paying, for that increase. So it's a bump in cost. It's also a bump in what we get. As always, it's about how you use the tool that counts. Think about all the new tools that they've came out with just recently. They came out with the field tag editor, which is in beta, the merge tool, which is in beta. They came out with a couple other good features that has been covered before. But again, development for those tools costs a lot of money. And, honestly, I'd rather merge a tour myself than have to pay them $1,000 or more to merge a tour.
Thanks, Tom. Got follow-up questions for Tom? Go to www.sparksmediagroup.com or www.scanyourspace.com or post your questions to the We Get Around Network forum at www.wegetaroundnetworkforum.com. Also, subscribe to the Sparks Media Group YouTube channel at Sparks Media Group. For all WGAN TV podcast episodes, look for WGAN TV in your favorite podcast app or go to www.wgan-tv.com. Thank you for watching this episode of the WGAN TV podcast.